a lot of key levels to watch out for when we talk about the headline indices, and let's try to get a sense what are the next levels to watch out for Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, and which are the counters looking interesting. Let's go across to our charters, and today we have Rajesh Palviya, who is the head of technical and derivative research at Axis Securities. Hi, very good afternoon, Rajesh. Well, definitely it was a win-win for all the bears out there. But what's next? Because for Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty, although we tried to recover from the day's low point, but that was not a substantial recovery. And given the fact that all throughout the Indian trading hours, the Dow futures were significantly down, what are the key levels that one should be watching out for?
Yeah, good afternoon, Srishti. Good afternoon, everyone. So, if we look at the overall setup for the market, as we have opened below 17,500 levels, so a lot of put writers have unwind their positions. We have seen huge unwinding action at the beginning of the trade itself, and now the put writers have shifted their base near to 17,100, 17,000 levels. So, next major level based on the data setup is looking at around 17,000 level. So now until we are not able to cross above 17,600 level, we are seeing that market may witness further more pressure from the here onwards, and maybe market can go down further towards 17,200, even 17,000 level in coming trading session. So sell on rise should be the strategy as of now. One should keep a stop loss of 17,600 for going short in the market, for lower target of 17,200 as well as 17,000 level. And even on the Bank Nifty front also, after this today's gap down, most of the put writers now have shifted their position to 37,500 level. So the major shift has been done in this today's session from the put writers front, and call writers were very aggressive at the lower strike price. So for Bank Nifty, we are expecting, until we are not able to cross above 38,800 level, the pressure will going to continue further, and maybe Bank Nifty can further go down towards 38,000, even 37,500 level on the lower side. So for both the indices, we are having view for sell on rise. We are keeping stop loss for Nifty at 17,600, and for Bank Nifty, our stop losses at around 38,800 to remain short, for lower target of 37,500.
So that's the strategy that you're adopting, Rajesh, and that is sell on rise strategy for both Nifty as well as Nifty Bank levels. So in this particular market scenario, what sort of stocks are you actually advising your investors or your viewers to take a look at?
So the major trigger for today's fall is IT, and the other sector was banking. So these two sectors are major trigger for the index fall. But still, there are so many stocks which are still showing outperformance. So we have identified three stocks where we are giving buy recommendation, because stock specific momentum is still there in the market. So first stock is Coal India. As we have seen that a strong rally in the last series, and the continuation of uptrend is still there in the Coal India, and the series of higher top higher bottom formation is there. So stock looking bullish on the near term as well as on the short term time frame. We are expecting 240 to 245 target with stop loss of 224. Second stock is from the mid cap space, that is Titagarh Wagon Limited, TWL. Stock is in continuation of uptrend. Stock is showing a higher top higher bottom formation, the kind of buying interest we have seen in this down market also. The stock is poised for upward target of 175 in the near term basis. One can keep a stop loss of 159 to buy TWL. Third stock is from chemical space, that is Tata Chemical. We have seen a strong recovery in the stock after the gap down, and the kind of setup which we are seeing on the daily as well as on the weekly basis, we expect that Tata Chemical can continue its upward momentum towards 1175. So one can buy Tata Chemical with stop loss of 1114.
So three buy calls coming in from Rajesh, and just to recap for the benefit of our viewers, it's a buy on Coal India, buy on Titagarh Wagon, as well as buy on Tata Chemicals. On that note, thank you so much, Rajesh, for joining us on the show and giving us a take on the markets, as well as sharing your pick with our viewers. But let's head across to my colleague Pankaj.